My name is Young Casey, and what I have today classes for Korean tradition Japchae, and especially this one over here. We make like a big parties. Korean have, I guess, so in lifetime we have a major three biggest event. You're 1 year old, or sometimes 100 days old, but the 1 year old birthdays, parties, and your wedding, and the 60 years old parties. It's one of the biggest event. Usually you're supposed to invite all your friends, families, and actually whole town people. And so when they make that, we make this japchae, one of the most important dishes. This one is, you make just a big quantity, I mean huge pot. And every time people come visit, this is a part of a plate. Always they're using that.
Tell me what's in it.
Okay, what I have here, this noodle is made out of sweet potato starch noodle. And I have a beef, onion, green onion, carrots, spinach, and wood ear mushroom, shiitake mushroom. This is a kind of garnish. What I have is a fish cake. This is a garnish. So everything, of course, all together. Did I say the carrots? I don't know. And I have also king mushrooms too. So I have 3 different kinds of mushrooms, but you don't have to do exactly, honestly. Just whatever you like or your family likes. And certain things you must have, but
I'm here at my Korean cooking class, and Young just brought this out, and she's stirring these noodles, and we're going to learn how to make Korean noodles today.
or anything.
Okay, Young said that this Korean noodle is actually made out of sweet potato, so there's no gluten, and she just added some sesame oil and tossed it through the noodles and the vegetables. Now we've added some pre-cooked spinach to our Korean noodles too. These are some of the ingredients for our Korean cooking class today. We're making japchae, which are Korean noodles, and the noodles are made out of potato starch, and supposedly they're very healthy for you.
So this is not. 장갑을 끼니까 이게 잘 되지가 않아. Okay, try cut. Just don't cut too thick, please. You have to quick stir fry this. So
And you got that where? At the
Korean market. Asian mushroom. King mushroom. Okay. It's a lot. Yes, I do. Other one.
Okay, the vegetable and sesame oil goes into the hot pan.
Right. And first thing, you want to try it, or after you cook the meat, carrots.
Pass on the baton.
Okay, pepper.
Then it makes that one up. Here, you can do it. We're taking it. And what is the soy sauce?
Soy sauce.
What's that?
That's sugar.
Sugar.
Little beef stock. Beef stock.
Beef stock. A pinch of beef stock. That's the zucchini. Beans.
Oh, the bean sprouts already.
Everything together. Oops.
Spinach and scallions, and then the noodles.
Oh, wow.
Mix all together. Yes, all of them. add on everything. Yes, soy sauce, everything. Add everything. Just any beef stock. Add everything. And we do garnish with fish cake or that because they look nice. 천만에요. 천만에요.